Hello guys, so already winter is hitting now, so all the students staying in the north part of the India, take care of your health, especially because once you will get cold you will not be able to study properly. And students from all over the country, this video is especially on this fact that only GATE is not sufficient. What my point is, if some student is qualifying GATE exam and after that they think that life is set, no. Because when you are joining the IIT, there is something called when you join the IIT, there is something called concept. See, you may be aware of this situation that your seniors are sitting in IIT after qualifying GATE exam, and after IIT they are getting very good packages, and there can be situation that some seniors are not able to get jobs after qualifying their master degree from a master degree from different IITs. So that's what I thought, like, this video is very important to aware yourself on like what is your desire, what do you want to achieve after GATE exam or after joining the IIT. So I will categorize this in two parts. One part is you want to become rich, I mean you want to earn so much money, that is one thing, through the aerospace department, definitely one thing. And another thing is you want to serve something, you want to learn something in aerospace, like you will not bother about money or something. Whatever job you will be getting in core department, R&D sectors of aerospace, you will be comfortable. Two different mindsets are there, right? If you want to earn a lot of money in aerospace department, so it is not possible, extremely it is really not possible that you are going to earn hell amount of money after completing your masters from IIT. See, I mean, even my sentence you don't take for granted. I am talking on average. What happens, I am talking about those students who feel that somehow they will qualify the GATE exam. You know, only qualifying the GATE exam is your, like, you can say your first level, or you can say your zero level. After that you have to survive in IITs. If you are that kind of student who can who can learn anything easily, who can apply the concepts easily, then there is no problem. Or if the sources are available, then you can read the sources and you can complete your assignment. And one more thing, if something is tough for you, then on average that will be tough for everyone in your college when you are pursuing your master degree. When you are completing your master degree, and during that you will realize what is the meaning of this video. Many students from my own institute, if you are watching this video for the very first time, then you should know that I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and I am taking classes for GATE Aerospace subjects from 8+ years. I have given so many toppers and so many selections. All the students are sitting into IIT. Don't miss the description, you will be getting all the classes and everything about. So do the description after this. So when you are qualifying GATE exam, that is your basic level. Okay, GATE exam is done now, and suppose you are getting at least that much score that you are able to join some IIT. You got some IIT. I am not talking about IIT IASC Bangalore now. Okay, keep that side, because you have to be really good if you want to get seat in IASC Bangalore. One thing is clear, in any department I'm saying. So what is the trouble you are having in IITs when you are performing your master degree? Whatever students they are visiting there in IITs for master degree, either in MTech or in MS programs, and some students they are going abroad for their 1-year master degree program, they all used to send me their doubts, that I have doubt in this, and I used to take their doubts very personally. And whatever sources they are advised to go through, even I used to go through those sources, and then I used to tackle their solutions, and so then I realized that a UG level general, like average student, will face really a difficult situation when you are sitting into IIT and pursuing your master degree. Okay, there is one safe side. Suppose you don't have enough knowledge of aerospace engineering and you are performing your master degree, then somehow, because group will be there, friends will be there, then somehow you will be completing your degree, right? After that it will be very difficult to get job in R&D sectors. Yes, it will be very difficult. And I don't have data, like generally, like loosely if I talk, 80 to 90% students they go to software based jobs. Okay, software based jobs, like any software they will like CFD, MATLAB, CATIA, SolidWorks, whatever. It depends on the company need, because you know in like the way in abroad countries we have manufacturing of the aircrafts, of that level we don't have in India. Of course things are growing, and recently with GATE score, like we fortunately we are nowadays getting job opportunities in DRDO based on GATE score, like GATE score they're asking. Okay, so that is another thing. So where I'm trying to take you, one thing, you qualify GATE exam. So qualifying GATE exam is like, you don't have to be very good to qualify GATE exam and to go into IIT. I have seen so many examples, and I am quoting here. Actually, I am not talking based on reservation. Even in general category, some students are like in my point of view that it's like I didn't think that they will be getting IIT, but their rank was like, but they got IIT. Anyway, when either you are from general category or whatever category you belong, when you are going to IIT, then the level what you have to tackle in your master degree, same questions, right? A general category student or any other category student, they all will tackle the same problem. They all will study through under same professor. Same guide will be there to guide all of you. Then I hope you are getting where I am trying to take you. So you have to be really good in the concept. Now point is how much depth you should go for anything, right? So now see, some students are not good in structure. They are comfortable till you can say till elasticity they are comfortable, but they are not comfortable when it comes to torsion, bending or something. Some students are comfortable till thermodynamics, but when compressible flow will run, they fail. When like immediately you will say that draw the complete TS diagram for turbofan, I'm damn sure that 70 to 80% students cannot draw the complete TS diagram for turbofan. Okay, for turbojet if they can, and again immediately you will say that add afterburner and draw complete TS diagram. Some students may fail. Anyway, so point is you have to be very good in your own concept, but how much good? So for that you do one thing, make sure, like, because if you will plan your path in the very beginning, like right now itself, if you are planning that okay, I will join structure only, I will join propulsion only, I will perform aerodynamics master degree or something like this, in that case you make sure, just an example I am taking, for example aerodynamics, suppose you are taking master degree aerodynamics, then you go through the all standard books. For example, in fluid mechanics, Gupta and Gupta, Frankham White, these two excellent books. You read that book in detail, not from GATE point of view, just to know more and more, which will help you in your master degree. Like, I hope you are getting my this thing. Suppose you are doing you want propulsion in your master degree. In that case, you complete Farooqi, you complete Ahmad al-Sayyed, like these kind of books you complete in detail, like every single page you study, not for GATE point of view, just to be somewhat better than others. Anyway you will be having difficulty there, and many students, many friends, many seniors, and my own, all the stories I see on average, and then I find that you have to struggle in your master degree to study, to learn, to clear your doubts, and lot of other things on your own. It is not that, like, you may be thinking when you are into IIT, I used to talk to those students who are sitting into IIT in first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth semester of MTech. I know what's going on. So students who got less mark in GATE exam, actually this is a special video is for those kind of students, like students who are getting less mark, but fortunately they are able to get IIT. Actually, see, marks will not decide how intelligent you are, because even though if you are a very good student, you may do some mistakes in your 3 hours of GATE exam and you may get less mark, and fortunately you are getting IIT, then you will be successful in IIT. but you are not so good student. See, please don't take my video in negative way. You are not so good in studies means maybe in your college days you could not study well. Maybe in your college days you could not qualify, could not clear your concepts about a particular. So those concepts will disturb you if they are not clear. Unclear concepts will not allow you to go ahead freshly. You'll be feeling like stuck. Now what to do? You know what kind of weakness I have seen in students? They are not able to solve cubic equations during GATE preparation. I have seen those kind of students. They are solving structure problem and they got stuck in cubic. And without calculator, they can't solve. Anyway, calculator is there, not a big deal. But in GATE exam, you don't have that calculator. What can solve cubic? So my point is, if you are weak somewhere, then definitely you have to pay that. Definitely you are going to pay somewhere in future. So list down all your weaknesses and find time and complete that. Right now you don't work on this part because it is 13th or 12th November. I have to check some timing. So 13th or 12th November is today, and then after like roughly 15 days in November, December, January. Like January is anyway, you cannot calculate January. The speed of January is like faster than any other month for GATE aerospace aspirants. GATE is something else, but GATE aerospace is something else. So I hope you're getting what are the points I am trying to collect. Some students claim, sir, you don't talk like point to point like you shuffle, you first you talk this, then talk. Actually, because I want to talk naturally, like it's like I'm talking to someone. I hope you guys are habitual now, the way I convey the message. But it used to be very factual and very point to point message. Like I'm sorry if I'm not delivering point to point, but when you will watch the complete video, you will get the idea what I'm trying to say. So only GATE is not sufficient, because you will suffer if you are not really good in at your basics. You will suffer. And if you are thinking that you will sit into the IIT library, you will sit with seniors, you will sit with your friends and something, because then also you will realize that everyone will be having their different problems. They all will not be available for you every time. That's why those students are texting me. Even though, don't you think they will be having friends there? Because your doubt, maybe they don't know or they are not interested. Maybe they will give you any excuse so that even they can maintain the friendship of these 2 years, and but they are not able to solve your doubts, right? People will help you, but it will be really difficult to approach your professor the way you can approach me or your friend, right? So you have to, so I hope you got the idea. If you want to perform propulsion, then study these books in detail. If you want to perform aerodynamics in your IITs, then study at least every single page of Anderson you complete, J.D. Anderson. Okay, some more aerodynamics books are there. You just copy down all important books for GATE aerospace concept library on YouTube. It will my video will come. In that I have given you subject wise books. In free time you go through those subject wise books. Okay, thank you so much.